Hey guys, Shawn Yacoubian here with Yacoubian Muay Thai. Today we're going to talk about how to throw a basic low kick. Again, when it comes to kicks, punches, defense, a lot of people like to do things differently in variations. This is one type of a variation how to throw a low kick. It's the basic low kick, Muay Thai style. First things first, you want to take a step, pick up your foot and slam it on the ground. Here. Next thing, you're gonna push off your back foot and swing your leg. You wanna turn your shoulder, you wanna turn your hip into the kick. Step one, here. Step two, pushing off the back foot, you wanna turn everything over. Shoulder, hip, turn, kick. You're using the lower half of your shin to be kicking, not your foot. Keep your left hand where it belongs. You can either, again, variations are variations. This is basic kick. Swing your arm alongside your leg. Kick. Here it is showing it to you on the bag. We usually use a long swinging bag, but today we have this. Same difference. You want to turn everything over here and then come back and then slide your foot back to your original fighting stance. Again, with variations, instead of swinging the arm next to your leg, you leave the arm up to defend yourself. The defense when you're throwing a low kick is also in question. A lot of people say when you throw your arm, you're exposed. Some of the defenses that you can do when you're throwing a low kick and you're swinging your arm. When you swing your arm, you turn your shoulder into your chin, therefore you're protecting your chin. Two things that you can do. Protect your chin like so with the shoulder here. Your hand is here for any kind of strikes coming that way, and your hand can be like so to block anything coming forward. So when you block anything coming forward, you're not just gonna hit yourself, you're going to catch it just like you do. So here, or tuck it in and you're protected right here. Another variation of the kick you can do, as far as if you're worried about defense, another variation of the kick that you can do is keep your arm up. The best way to get momentum and power is to swing that arm. However, when you're concerned about your defense, you want to keep your arm like so. That way you're ready for defense. Any kind of strikes with the hands coming while you're kicking, if that is your worry, you put your arm up and you let you let your lower part of your body do the work. While your arm is up, protecting your head. Another version of the kick with your hands up, it's more seen in kickboxing, is when they keep their hands up and it's called a cut kick, because when you kick, you're the basic style kicking. You take a step and you swing everything to it. It's a lot of commitment. So if you want to shorten it up and also take in consideration your hands and your defense, you keep your hand up and you just cut kick. You don't turn your hip over all the way as you would in an actual traditional Muay Thai kick. And it's a lot quicker because you're doing a lot less. Either way, the opponent's gonna get kicked in the side of the leg. That's the low kick and the variations, and along with defense. Thanks for watching.